Hey everybody, so I know I've moved multiple times and being organized is the easiest and best way to lower your stress level. So, this spreadsheet is totally helpful for you to keep organized and track of where everything is going and all the items, making sure that you've packed everything and what box it's in. So, I've got everything organized by room. And then, well, except cookware, but that needs its own section, doesn't it? Bedrooms, we've got bathroom, entryway, laundry room, outdoors. And you know what? Let's add another section for basement. So hold on. Okay, that's better. So I made a section for basement, garage, playroom, office, spare room, and extra room. So that way you've got all your rooms covered, and then there is a place for notes and if you needed a shopping list. I always like to have that on my sheets. So yeah, so that's pretty much how to use the moving inventory checklist. If you wanted to print this out, you could. You just pretty much uncheck your boxes, go to File, Print, and then make sure it says fit to width, and you can do it on portrait and it'll all print out on one page. Um, that's it. So feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet and have a good day.